Hi there, Jess in the Rada Kitchen. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to update the classic Italian pasta salad with some fresh tortellini, asparagus, mozzarella, and some sweet tomatoes. And we're gonna start by prepping our asparagus. So let's get our asparagus prepped, and you're gonna go ahead and snap that end off to see where the woody part is. And that is where we're gonna cut all of the ends. And go ahead and toss those. And we're going to do about a 2-inch cut on these. So our asparagus is going to go into some boiling water. We're just blanching these for a few minutes. Asparagus is blanched, so we're going to take that from that hot pot and put it right into our ice water bath. So it stops that cooking process, and it will keep our vegetables nice and bright and green and crisp. So you can use any variety of tomatoes that you like. I have some really sweet different varieties of grape tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes look beautiful in this. So you can see my trick here. You can do one at a time or with my tomato slicer. If you hold them steady and just come through the middle, you can knock out a bunch at once. Just hold them tight. Here I have almost a cup of some red peppers that I roasted and set aside, and I'm just going to cut these into some thin strips. So add to our peppers and tomatoes that asparagus that we cooked. And now I have a tri-colored tortellini that I've already boiled and set aside. There we go. And I have some fresh mozzarella, and you can just find the balls of this, or these are like a pearl-sized almost, little bite-sized pieces. And we're gonna make our dressing. So I took my inspiration from this dressing from like a gremolata recipe. So I'm just gonna chop up our fresh herbs, which is basil and parsley, fresh parsley. And it's just a rough chop, as you can see. We're not pulsing it like we would a pesto. Into our bowl. And to that, I've got about 3 cloves of garlic that I chopped. Some fresh lemon zest. And then the juice from that lemon. Gonna add some sea salt, some pepper, and then whisk it with some olive oil. We're just gonna dress it. And give it a really good stir. So here we have our vegetable tortellini salad all ready to go, and this is a great side dish to any grilled vegetable, or it's great by itself as well. Thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to check us out at radacutlery.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more simple recipes just like this one.